Oh, National Community College.
Nice little turnout here, it looks like. I see lines.
This is Clinton country. Hillary Clinton is almost no chance she's going to win this primary. And the torture is, this is their state. New Hampshire is the place that saves Clintons. And instead, she has to go through this slow motion torture of running, investing time, investing some money, knowing that what, she's going to lose by 8, she's going to lose by 12, unless some miracle happens.
Although many in the Clinton world do not think that New Hampshire is winnable for Hillary Clinton, there's one dissenter in the Clinton ranks, and that dissenter is the big dog.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Bill Clinton.
The maximum canine, Bill Clinton, who thinks that indeed New Hampshire can be won.
Thank you. Whoa. Thank you. I urge you, New Hampshire, I urge you, send a clear message to America and support the best change maker I ever met, Hillary Rodham Clinton.
I am so thrilled that I'm coming to New Hampshire after winning Iowa. As you know, my husband and I are pretty fond of this state. We have made friends starting back, oh my gosh, in 1991, who have been with us year after year. This is going to be a great week of campaigning. So, New Hampshire, come with me this week. Make this journey with me. Stand up for me. Fight for me. And when we win, I will stand up and fight for you every single day. Thank you and God bless you.
First woman to win the Iowa caucus is a pretty big deal, right?
Oh, thank you so much.
First of all, it's not in their nature to concede New Hampshire at all, as you know.
Problem is, again, the more they put in, the more they try in New Hampshire, the more it magnifies the loss if she has one. Because the press will be very sensitive to that. They'll say, the Clintons threw everything they had at Bernie Sanders and he beat her. There's two variables. How much they try and how much does Sanders win by. The more they try, the bigger he wins by, the worse and worse it is.